प्रयागराज की महाकुंभ में सिंगापुर से आए पर्यटक बताया महाकुंभ की विशेषताएं। इससे पहले भी महाकुंभ में आ चुका है, पहली बार 2013 में आया था, फिर 2019 में और अब 2025 में फिर से यहाँ हूँ। महाकुंभ का अनुभव हर बार अनोखा होता है, लेकिन यहाँ आने का असली उद्देश्य ये देखना होता है कि लोगों की भक्ति और अध्यात्म कैसे जीवंत रूप से यहाँ प्रकट होता है। उन्होंने आगे बताया, मैंने एक हफ्ते का सफ़र तय किया है और यहाँ 3 दिन रुकने का प्लान है। अगले महीने फरवरी में एक बार फिर से आने का इरादा है, तब 1 हफ्ते के लिए यहाँ ठहरूंगा। संगम और प्रयागराज की ये पवित्र धरती मुझे बहुत पसंद है। उन्होंने महाकुंभ के बारे में अपनी भावनाएं साझा करते हुए कहा, पहली बार 2013 में महाकुंभ में शामिल हुआ था, फिर 2019 में, इसलिए मुझे पहले से ही इस बार के 2025 के महाकुंभ का बेसब्री से इंतज़ार था। यहाँ की आध्यात्मिकता, भक्ति और महाकुंभ का माहौल हर बार अद्भुत अनुभव कराता है। यह एक ऐसा अनुभव है जिसे शब्दों में बयां करना मुश्किल है।
Shita Tiwari from Sangam News Express. I am present over here in this Sangam, Prayagraj. So let's talk to the people, those who have come far away. So what's your name?
They know me as RJ, and that's what I'm known as.
Okay, from which country you have come from?
From Singapore.
Okay, so tell me about what is the purpose of your coming over here in this Mahakumbh?
The object was to come and see what has changed, what is different. This is my 3rd visit here. I was here for the last Mahakumbh in 2013. Then I came here in 19, and now I'm back here again to take some photographs and see, what's different. That's about it. Yeah.
Okay, so earlier when you have come, then it was like that. It was a normal Kumbh. This time it is a Mahakumbh that has come after 144 years. So, is there any difference between the technology, the changes over here?
Technology-wise, I have not managed to connect, say through the Wi-Fi or whatever, but that doesn't matter over here. The object is to come and see what's happening, culture. Of course, our culture is probably the oldest and the best in the world. So I've just come to cover that, take some pictures for myself. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me how long the journey you have come here, how long journey you have done?
Well, not very long. You fly into Delhi and then fly into Allahabad. I plan to spend a week here now, and then I come back again in February when there's slightly less crowd. I want to come here when there's no big Sanan or something to actually mingle with the people locally. The last time I came here, I actually stayed with the Naga Sadhus for 3 days in their tents, which was amazing. Hopefully, I'll get the same experience again.
Okay, so you are going to stay over here for how many long days?
I'm here for 3 more days, then I'll come back next month again and spend another week, maybe 10 days, let's see.
Okay, so how you come to know about this Mahakumbh,
Well, usually I've been following it all my life. So as I said, I was here in 2013, and then I calculated that I'm going to be here for this one. I don't know whether I'm going to make it when I'm older, whether I'm going to make it back for the next one. But yeah, I'm going to try and come for the half Kumbh at least one more time. So I'll have done it the 4th time when I come back.
Okay, so tell me your experience. Are you liking the traditions of Hindu, the rituals, the spirituality over here?
Oh, it's fantastic. It's the oldest religion in the world, and you can't beat it. You just can't beat it. It's everything in one. It's the most tolerant and it's the best. That's it. Yeah.
Okay, it was a nice talking to you. Thank you. I, Shita Tiwari, video journalist Brajesh Hisar.